Drop I would never have considered as an option because it's 1 year of your life, right? You cannot take it back again.
First thing she told me is that, Mama, can I answer next year? I said, no way. I won't allow you to do that.
Taking a drop is like losing a year, and it's no joke. My name is Lisa Joanne Zizart. I'm from Giri and I've studied at St. Xavier's College, Mapsa, and I am on my way to go to Georgia for my MBBS.
I'm Leslie Zuzart. I'm into finance and general insurance, based in Panjim.
I'm Priti Zuzart, working for the hospital, North District Goa. I'm from Giri, Badis. Lisa is going to be the first doctor.
A bit nervous, but I want to make my parents proud. That's number one. And to pursue my dream, I'm going to Georgia.
From day one, I did not have to be after her to tell her to study. Till her 12th, she did a fantastic job where studies were concerned. And the moment she used to come from school, the first thing she would be with her books. And she made us proud.
It's been her dream since she was maybe in the 3rd or 4th standard. She wants to be a doctor. Her grandma was a nurse. Her grandpa too has worked in a hospital in the administration. And now she's ready to leave.
As my brother was born, I was so fascinated when I came to the hospital, seeing the doctors here and there with the stethoscope. And then in 5th standard, my class teacher, she told us to write an essay on what we want to become in the future. And I remember writing about that I want to be a doctor, I want to help others and cure their diseases and stuff. And then since I like the subject science also, it played a balance in that, and then I went forward with it and I fell in love with bio, and here I am.
Since she told me that she wants to pursue in MBBS to be a doctor, I said, go ahead. Where education is concerned, I said, I will not stop you from doing this.
Drop I would never have considered as an option because it's 1 year of your life, right? You cannot take it back again.
First thing she told me is that, Mama, can I answer next year? I said, no way. I won't allow you to do that.
Taking a drop is like losing a year, and it's no joke because you will have to go through the same stress, same environment, and you cannot handle that much.
The first thing, I have faith in her. I explained to her how difficult it is. So I told her, if you have to go abroad, then you'll have to work very hard because you're going for some ambition, you want your dream to come through. I will miss her, but I want her dream to come true, and I want to fulfill whatever she wishes, that she wants to become a doctor. All my siblings, this side also, everybody is happy. Relatives, everyone, because she'll be the first doctor in the family.
Initially, we had not thought that she would be traveling abroad to study. We thought maybe she could succeed getting a seat locally. But then, seeing the uncertainty, we decided that Travco option to Georgia would be a better one.
When Travco first came to my college, I came home and I told Mama about it. I told Dada also about it, that they send students to abroad to Georgia, and this idea remained in my mind. And then later on, when I didn't get through NEET because the paper was quite tough, and I remembered about Travco, about the presentation that they gave, and I asked Mama, can I go? She's like, yeah, sure, as long as you pursue your dream.
Yeah, Travco did a fantastic job. As soon as Lisa told me about Travco, we came here. We were given a good introduction where I really liked it. Thank you, Devyani and the Travco team. We met Sir Bruno also, where he has guided us very well. He has told us much more about it after she finishes her 6 years. What are the things that she can go ahead with.
And if I had not had the guidance of Travco, I would have not been here at this moment right now. They were very supportive. The team, the staff, everyone, especially Devyani, she would answer the doubts, and also you had all the answers at your doorstep. So it was nice, it was good. So we didn't have to wait for a long time or something like that.
The process was very smooth, and I didn't expect that it would be so simple, So Travco handled most of the things here. So it was pretty fast from the time we approached you to the time of the visa.
I would say thank you, Mama and Dada. First of all, they have sacrificed sacrificed a lot, and like sending their child, especially I'm the eldest, so it feels a lot of emotions and all these things, but they have faith in me and I'm so proud of it, and I'm going to fulfill my dream and make them proud too. So I'm looking forward to it.
The career that you're choosing, Lisa, it's a very good career.
Do well, don't delay studies, keep on track, and do well in your exams.
Whenever you face a patient, think that you are in his place or her place and do a job that you would do for yourself. So treat the patient patiently, give love and affection to the patient, and all the best to you. And I know that you will be a good doctor. I would advise, don't lose hope. Even if you have not got a seat, don't get dejected. First thing I would say, come straight to TREVCO. The entire TREVCO team will help you in all your difficulty and will make it possible.
Even if you don't get a seat, maybe in Goa or any other state where you're from, no matter what happens, I know that we all have done our best in this NEET exam, and I would suggest, even if you all don't get a seat here, to go abroad or pursue your future MBBS. So I would suggest you to go through TREVCO because they are very approachable and also they have a smooth process.
Like if you have the dream to be a doctor, you should keep all options open. So there should be one open window where you can get through and achieve your dream of being a doctor.
And thanks to the entire TREVCO team, a fantastic job, and God bless all of you.
Thank you, TREVCO.